guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can set the same duration for all of your images on CapCut PC. So if I add this image here to the timeline, as you can see, it is at 1 second, and I want to make all of my images at 2 seconds or like at 3 seconds. Totally up to you. Delete it first. You do have to set this duration before you add in pictures. Go to menu and go to the settings page and go to edit. And here's where you can adjust the image duration for all of your videos. For instance, I want it to be at 3 seconds. I can just type in 3. And you can also change it to like maybe the frame and not the second, but I just chose the second one because it is easier. So I just selected 3 seconds, press save, and if I selected, for instance, all of these, it will all be 3 seconds and will all add up to, as you can see, 15 because I added 5 images. And that is pretty much it, really. You do have to change the settings before you add in those images or else it won't work. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!